Hi everyone, I just wanted to talk about my new layout that I've been building. I had to take a break from my folding switching layout for a while. Incidentally, I actually ran out of room to build it. But I had another little project that I had on the back burner for a few years, and I finally got around to making a start with it. And I've just got a little layout that's designed to fit within the footprint of an A3 sheet of paper. So you're talking 420 millimeters by 297 millimeters, very small. Can fit on any kind of desk. I've got the Kato 117 millimeter curves, which are the sharpest curves that are available from Kato, I believe. Not very much rolling stock or locomotives will run around this, but I do have a little Bachmann MDT Plymouth, and it runs beautifully around these curves. There's a lot of debate on the internet as to whether or not these things will manage a 117 millimeter curve, but my experience is they run pretty good. I've just got some old Roco ore cars. They've just got Rapido couplers on them, picked up a whole bunch as a lot fairly cheaply. And I just wanted to fit them into this mining scene that I'm creating. So I finished my first ever structure, which is this ballast transport station by Model Power, made by Faller in Germany for Model Power actually. It's a very good kit. It was an absolute joy to put together. And it's my very first model building completed. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting some weathering done on that. And for the power, I've got a pulse width modulator with directional control. I found out about this through Budget Model Railways, which is a wonderful YouTube page, a bit of a father-son duo, just doing some pretty wonderful things on a budget. And they demonstrated how to build your own controller, and I followed their method to a T. And I'll find a way to incorporate that into a layout. And yeah, it works beautifully. Works just as well as my Kato controller, and it cost me a fifth of the price to build. So yeah, just want to let you guys see what I was up to. Absolute, as small as I could, whilst making it interesting on as tight of a budget as possible. And the next step will be scenery and ballast and all of these things that I haven't done yet. It'll be the first time. So I'll just try and keep regular posts and updates, and yeah, I'm happy to share this with you guys. Alright, have a great day. Talk to you later.